What sets us apart from CROs is a multitude of reasons. Of course, there's the depth of experience, both from the preclinical to clinical sphere that many of our employees have, but there's also a culture and a commitment to customer service. And I don't say that lightly because I know that a lot of companies cite that, but the reality is we try to infuse the excellent experience to the customer in everything that we do. Not only do our employees try to ensure that customers get an excellent quality report or the most innovative scientific expertise that can be offered in the market, but ultimately they want the clients to enjoy working with us. And it's amazing. We take the customer service aspect of our work very seriously, and I conduct a lot of interviews with clients, specifically trying to gauge from them what we could improve and why they selected to work with us versus other competitors. And throughout the years, scientific expertise comes up, quality comes up, timelines comes up, but the consistent thread in the answers from all of the clients that works with us is they genuinely felt like the employees of this company cared about their project.